Hi, I'm Phoebe Welburn at Welburn Gourd Farm, and I'm going to show you how to make the hole for our Gourd lamp hardware kits. So when you buy the lamp hardware kit, it comes, this one doesn't have the bulb in it, but it does come with a bulb. So it comes with the base, the cord, the bulb, and you want to be able to drill this hole so that this fits snugly so you don't have the light bleeding through. So we have something that's going to make that easy for you, hopefully, and it is the hole saws. So this is what they look like. They're in the package on these ones. And this is for our regular size lamp hardware kit. It's 2.5 inches. It makes a 2.5 inch hole. And we have one for our small lamp hardware kit, which makes a 1.25 inch hole. And this one is actually also perfect for making holes for your birdhouses. So if you want to drill a hole that the birds are going to nest in the gourd, the 1.25 inch size is probably the most universal size for birds to want to nest in a gourd. So this is great for those as well. But it is also perfect for our small lamp hardware kit, which this one is by Sue Sweeter. She made this gorgeous little canteen lamp for us. And you can see there's the, actually I could turn that off so you could see it. The bulb is very bright, but that's the hardware kit. It comes with the base and the LED bulb so it doesn't heat up, so there's no fire danger on your gourd. And again, they're meant to fit snugly. So you want to be able to drill the perfect size hole. So here's the 1.25 inch size hole saw, and you can see when it goes to the gourd, it's making that perfect size hole to fit the lamp base. And the same is true for the 2.5 inch. Here's the 2.5 inch hole saw. And you can see it makes a perfect size hole to fit our standard size lamp hardware kit. So in order to use these hole saws, you actually need an attachment. So this is the mandrel kit, and it comes with all these pieces, and you actually are not going to use all the pieces. Here they are out of the box. These are the 4 pieces it includes. And these 2 pieces you will not need for use with these hole saw attachments. So you're only going to use these 2. And we have Maria here on our staff, and she's going to show you how to attach these to your drill and how to use the hole saw to make your hole. First, you want to attach the hole saw by lining up the 2 holes of the attachment and tightening the top. You don't need to tighten it all the way. What is more important is that you line up the screw with the base so that it forms a perfect hex. That's lined up, and that's not aligned. If it's not aligned, it won't insert into your drill correctly. Make sure the 2 pieces are aligned so the 2 flat pieces are flat together and it forms a perfect hex. Next, insert the mandrel into the drill. Make sure the drill is opened all the way. Then attach the hole saw. You will hear a click when it's firmly in place. But give a little tug to make sure it's fully attached. So when you're doing any kind of gourd work, when you're cutting open a gourd or doing any kind of drilling, you always want to wear safety equipment. So you're going to want to wear some safety glasses and a mask. So we're going to have Maria put those on before she starts drilling. You want to adjust the torque on your drill to a lower setting. This will keep the hole saw from bouncing around as you drill. On this particular drill, we have it set at a 17, but it may be higher or lower for your drill. We recommend starting at a low setting if this is your first time. Firmly hold the gourd with one hand. Line up the mandrel that is in the center of the bit and start your drill. This is normal for the drill to stop and bog down. This is a result of the low torque setting. Simply realign the drill and start again. Now you have the perfect size hole to fit your lamp base. You want to clean out your gourd first, but for demonstration purposes, we just want to show you that the hole is perfectly designed to fit the gourd lamp kit. The lamp base should fit snugly onto the bottom of the gourd. It's designed to have a low profile so that you don't really notice the base as the gourd lamp is sitting on a table. Here is an example of a finished gourd lamp. Now we're going to make a birdhouse using the small hole saw. To detach the large hole saw, firmly hold the hole saw, grab the lower part, and pull. Now unscrew the large bit and attach the smaller one. Line up the holes and screw the top part. Again, make sure the sides that are flat are completely lined up to form a hex. Firmly hold your gourd in one hand and apply even pressure with the drill. One easy step, you have the perfect size hole for your birdhouse. To remove the gourd piece from your hole saw, simply unscrew the hole saw and use a screwdriver or even the end of your mandrel to poke out the gourd piece. And one last note, if you're not comfortable using power tools, we highly recommend you ask somebody with more experience to use the hole saw and make the holes for you. So please enjoy making your own birdhouses, your gourd lamps. Send us photos on Facebook. We would love to see what you're doing. And thank you so much for watching.